Hello viewers. Welcome to our channel, where we embark on a journey through the magical world of herbal medicine and the wonders of nature. Today, we're diving deep into the refreshing realm of lemongrass, the delightful herb that captivates with its citrusy aroma and a treasure trove of medicinal benefits. Lemongrass, scientifically known as Cymbopogon citratus, has been cherished for centuries across cultures and continents for its culinary delights and therapeutic virtues. From ancient civilizations to modern herbal practices, lemongrass has held a prominent place in traditional medicine systems around the world. So, if you're ready to immerse yourself in the refreshing world of lemongrass and discover the health benefits it holds, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and let's embark on this enlightening journey together. Before we begin, if you find this information valuable, be sure to share this video with your friends and family. Together, we can spread the knowledge of lemongrass's medicinal wonders and empower others to embrace the gift of natural healing. Now, let's get ready to awaken our senses and explore the extraordinary healing potential of lemongrass as we delve into the science and tradition behind this versatile herb. So, without further ado, hit that play button, sit back, and let's uncover the captivating world of lemongrass and its extraordinary medicinal uses. Lemongrass, scientifically known as Cymbopogon citratus, is a delightful and aromatic herb that has been celebrated for its culinary and medicinal properties for centuries. Originating in Southeast Asia, lemongrass has made its way into the hearts and homes of people worldwide, enchanting taste buds and soothing ailments with its refreshing citrusy flavor and remarkable health benefits. From ancient civilizations to modern herbal practices, lemongrass has been revered for its diverse medicinal uses, making it a valuable addition to traditional medicine systems and modern wellness practices. In this comprehensive video, we will explore the fascinating world of lemongrass, delving into its historical significance, chemical composition, and the myriad medicinal applications that continue to captivate humanity. Lemongrass has a rich historical significance, with its origins dating back to ancient civilizations in Southeast Asia, India, and other regions with tropical climates. Throughout history, it has been a cherished herb in traditional medicine systems, including Ayurveda, traditional Chinese medicine, and Thai traditional medicine. In India, lemongrass, known as Hari Chai, has been used for its medicinal properties, as well as in various culinary dishes and teas. In Ayurveda, lemongrass is recognized for its pitta-pacifying nature, as it helps balance the pitta dosha, one of the three fundamental energies in the body. In traditional Chinese medicine, lemongrass is used for its cooling properties and is believed to support digestive health and promote a sense of calm and relaxation. Lemongrass owes its impressive medicinal properties to its rich chemical composition, which includes several bioactive compounds. Some of the key constituents found in lemongrass are: Number 1. Citral, the primary component responsible for lemongrass's citrusy aroma and flavor. Citral also exhibits antimicrobial and antioxidant properties. Number 2. Limonene. Another important compound found in lemongrass, limonene, is known for its potential anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Number 3. Myrcene. This compound contributes to lemongrass's aromatic profile and may have relaxing and sedative properties. Number 4. Geraniol. Geraniol adds to lemongrass's aromatic charm and exhibits potential antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Number 1. Digestive health. Lemongrass has been traditionally used to support digestive health and relieve digestive issues such as bloating, indigestion, and gas. Its carminative properties help soothe the digestive system and promote healthy digestion. Number 2. Stress and anxiety reduction. The calming aroma of lemongrass can help reduce stress and anxiety levels. In aromatherapy, lemongrass essential oil is often used to create a relaxing and uplifting ambiance. Number 3. Immune system support. Lemongrass contains essential vitamins, such as vitamin C, and exhibits antimicrobial properties, which may support the immune system and protect against infections. Number 4. Pain relief and inflammation. Lemongrass contains anti-inflammatory compounds like limonene and citrol, making it beneficial in reducing inflammation and providing relief from pain associated with conditions like arthritis. Number 5. Detoxification. Lemongrass is considered a natural detoxifier, helping to flush out toxins from the body and support the liver's detoxification processes. 6. Respiratory health. Lemongrass's antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties make it useful for respiratory health. It may help alleviate symptoms of respiratory conditions like colds, coughs, and congestion. Number 7. Skin health. Lemongrass is valued for its astringent and antiseptic properties, making it useful for maintaining healthy skin and treating skin conditions like acne and fungal infections. Number 8. Blood pressure and cholesterol management. Preliminary research suggests that lemongrass may help lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, contributing to cardiovascular health. Lemongrass can be consumed in various forms to harness its medicinal benefits. Number 1. Lemongrass tea. Brewing lemongrass leaves and stalks in hot water creates a soothing and aromatic herbal tea that offers numerous health benefits. Number 2. Lemongrass oil. Lemongrass essential oil can be used in aromatherapy or diluted for topical application to enjoy its therapeutic effects. Number 3. Culinary uses. Fresh or dried lemongrass is often used in cooking to add a zesty flavor to dishes, especially in Asian cuisines. Lemongrass, the delightful and aromatic herb, stands as a testament to the remarkable healing potential of nature's offerings. Its rich chemical composition, including citrol, limonene, and myrcene, contributes to its diverse medicinal properties, spanning from digestive health and stress reduction to immune system support and pain relief. As with any herbal remedy, it is essential to use lemongrass judiciously and consult with a healthcare professional, especially for those with specific health conditions, allergies, or who are taking medications. Embracing the wisdom of ancient traditions, lemongrass continues to weave its magic through the realms of traditional medicine and modern wellness practices. Whether enjoyed as a soothing tea, a fragrant essential oil, or a flavorful culinary addition, lemongrass has undoubtedly earned its place as a medicinal marvel in the world of herbal remedies. As we delve into its refreshing and aromatic embrace, we open our hearts to the wonders of nature's healing gifts and the timeless wisdom of traditional healing practices. Thanks for watching. Please consider liking, subscribing, and sharing this video.